Welcome. If you're looking to take control of your notifications on X, formerly known as Twitter, you've come to the right place. Today, I'm going to guide you through the simple steps to disable likes notifications on your Android device. Let's dive in. First, open the X app on your Android device. Once you have that open, head up to the top right corner of your screen. There, you'll see your profile picture. Tap on it to proceed. Now, you'll find a menu. Look for the option that says Settings and Support and tap on that. This will lead you to a new set of options. Next, tap on Settings and Privacy. Here, you can customize various aspects of your account. Once you're in, scroll down and find Notifications. This section is where you manage all your notification preferences, so tap on it. Now, let's move on to Preferences. In this part of the settings, you can tweak how and when you receive notifications. After that, tap on Push Notifications. This is where you can adjust the notifications that pop up on your device. You'll see a section called Related to You and Your Posts. Under this category, locate the option labeled Likes. Go ahead and tap on it. Finally, to disable likes notifications, choose the option that says Off. And that's it. You've successfully turned off likes notifications on X. By following these steps, you can enjoy a more curated experience on your timeline without the distraction of constant notifications. Thanks for watching, and happy tweeting.